Up for grabs, we have a 1970 Lemans Sport. Came with a 5.7 liter 350. Picked this car up north of Greensboro as a donor for my GTO. Had it for about 7 years, I guess. Most people wouldn't attempt to save it. There's not much to look at. But she's been good to me. The original matching numbers, transmission and motor, which is in my other Pontiac to make it mobile at the moment. And we're considering turning this into a GTO clone. Pretty rough shape. Not many people would try to save this, and I have my doubts. We're going to see how it goes.